all. So registration page is the only page pending now. We need to register, right? So if you want to register, log out. If you're already logged in, then navigate from home page to, so here from here, register. If you click on register, then you will land in the register account page. So in this register account page, all you're filling the data. That's it. You're entering the data. That means you have to use a send keys method or a send data method. I think in our framework we are using send data method, right? That method. Okay. So first, identify all these elements. This is a bigger task. You need to identify all these elements. Every element you have to identify. So this header, this login page link, this legend text, this edit box, edit box, edit box, edit box. Again, this legend, this edit box, edit box, edit box, drop down, and then your password section, newsletter section. So whatever you give, so it has to one method will write. Okay, one method will write. So either you select subscribe, yes or no. So yes or no, you select it. Okay, so let's see how we identified all of them. Let me take. This is the bigger piece. A lot of so elements you have to identify. So big, this one. Okay. See public class registration page extends WebDriver details driver, and you can just, so this one first register account header. So H1 tag, just using the H1 tag. At the rate find by CSS equal to, so content key register account static text. So there is a static text here, right? This one. Then, so register account to login page link. So this one, login page link. And personal details one by one. Personal details, legend text, first name edit box, ID I have used, last name edit box, name I have used, again input email ID I have used, so telephone edit box, so again we have used ID, again your address legend elements, so address legend text, and company edit box ID, again address 1 edit box ID, address 2 edit box ID, city edit box, postcode edit box, country drop down, and state drop down. So these are all ID only we have used. It's up to you which one you want to use. Which one you want to use. And so then password legend text, password edit box, I used CSS. It's up to you which one you want to use. This is the ID, hash ID value, right? So you can use ID or ID value. So confirm password edit box. Subscribe yes, radio button. Subscribe no, radio button. So we just use CSS only, all CSS only. Either CSS or ID very fast. Okay, very fast. So that will help you really. Next, privacy policy checkbox. This one, privacy policy checkbox and the continue button. So continue button also. So we have taken. So agree error message. For example, you haven't checked this checkbox and you clicked on this. So it will say you must agree to the privacy policy. This error message I was talking. So that error message is also identified here. Next. So register breadcrumb. So this one, register breadcrumb. So that from here to here, I am identifying that. The relative XPath, you can write, or CSS selector, you can write. CSS selector we have written here. Account create header. So once you enter all the data here, and if you go click on continue, then you will get account created header. Then account created success message also you will get. Say div content H1 for header, P for the paragraph of message. Account created continue button also there in the next page. This will come in the next page. When you click on continue, there you will get this next page. These are all next page elements. Before finishing the registration. Before finishing the registration. And then you have a account breadcrumb success link. So that's another thing. Contact us link also there in the same page. Then breadcrumb home icon. Home icon also will be there. Okay, so next, so all the methods one by one. Now elements are done. We need to write the methods one by one method. So basically, is register breadcrumb present? So is displayed. This method is a Boolean method. So then get account create header. So get text you are using, you are getting the text. So get account created success message. So you're using get text and you're getting the success message text. So is account created success message present? I'm just checking whether it is present or not. Is account created breadcrumb success link present? So that also I'm checking. Click on breadcrumb home icon. So you just click on breadcrumb home icon. Then we have a click on contact us link. Click account has been created. Continue button. Get first name edit box. Set first name edit. See, setters and getters. So you have set first name means you're typing. You're typing the data. So you're typing the data. first name edit box, first name. Get first name edit box. So get attribute of value. You can get the value once you type it. So once you type it, you can get the value. Then set last name edit box, get last name edit box. So that's the, so set last name and get last name. Set email edit box. See, this is the setter method and getter method. See, setter methods are void. Getter methods are return type methods. Set telephone edit box, get telephone edit box. Set fax, get fax value. Once you type, you can get these values. Maybe for validation purpose, you want to get after typing, the getter method you can call. So set company edit box, get company edit box. Set address edit box, get address edit box. Set address to edit box, get address to edit box. Set city and get city value. Set postal code, get postal code. Set password edit box, get password edit box. And set confirm password, get confirm password. See, all methods, you can write the setters and getters, you can generate also. Basically, you know, right, how to generate setters and getters based on the fields. Based on that, we generated. So set confirm password edit box and get confirm password edit box. And set confirmation, get confirmation. Select a country, see here. So you have already methods. Select option by visible text method, just calling the method. Element you are giving and which option you want to select. When you call this method, you will give option, that's it. Automatically it will select for you. And select a state. So select option by visible text. So you just give the, so the drop down element and which option you want to select. Select subscribe. This is the one I was talking. You are selecting subscribe, string subscribe. So you will pass yes or no. If this subscribe value yes, it will select the yes radio button. If subscribe value no, it will select this no radio button. This block will execute. This block will execute. So check agree checkbox. So you're just clicking on. So there is a check method, right? In our framework, there is a check method. So check privacy policy checkbox. Click continue button. So click continue button. Click login page link. So click, so register account login page link. So then all this setters and getters and action methods we have done already. Now, so see, I'm just simplifying, because instead of one by one, we cannot write in the test cases, right? What I'm doing, I'm just simplifying. So what we are doing, set personal details. So all the personal details methods I'm calling here. So when you call this method, you just give these values. Then set address details. So all address details you pass when you call this method. So you don't need to write this everything again and again. Set password details. So you can pass, so only passwords, this one. And we can, so call only these methods instead of all the above methods, right? So that will save a lot of space for us. So that's the main objective of simplifying. So this is all about page methods development. And so tomorrow we'll see test cases. Each page wise one test case will create and we'll run that. Okay. Yeah. Any questions? Questions we can drop. Yeah.